Okay, so you know you go to the Mexican restaurants or takeout stands, the taco trucks, and they make your tacos or burritos, then put that white sauce on it. That white crema is awesome, it's delicious, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's my version of it. It's delicious. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shra Shara. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, for this simple condiment, a sauce if you will, we're going to need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some lime juice, some mayo, and some sour cream, and a little cilantro. So let's get this started. Okay, let's start by putting roughly about a quarter cup of sour cream in our bowl. Okay, that's probably a little more than a quarter cup, but I like sour cream, it's good. All right, and then we want to put the same amount of mayo, about a quarter cup of mayo. If you don't like mayo, you don't have to put that much mayo. But you want to roughly get them about the same amounts. We want to put a couple of tablespoons of our lime juice. There you go. Then a little salt to taste. Then a little pepper. You don't need a lot of pepper. Maybe a teaspoon worth of pepper. And last but not least, our cilantro. Okay, let's get that all in there. And if you don't like lime juice, you can definitely use lemon juice. In this application, they're interchangeable. Right, now let's get this mixed up. Let's mix this all together. Alright, it's looking good. Okay, and this will go good on any taco, burrito, Mexican pizza, carne asada, any application you can put this on. And it's just going to elevate the flavors. Okay, so now we want to put this in the refrigerator, at least for an hour and a half, 2 hours before it's time to use it. But for me, I'm not going to be using this for roughly 12 hours or so. So it'll be nice and flavorful when it's time. It is just that simple. And there you go. You put that in a bottle, or you can just use your spoon and just dollop it on your food, and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Definitely try it for yourself. That being said, this is Shra Shara, and I am out.